Welcome to the Traders Haven live session trade summary. We haven't posted a video for you guys in a little while. We've been really busy with the live sessions and on different forums and so on. And so, we thought it's been a while. Let's post a session video for you to give you an idea of what we've been doing in the live sessions. So what you're looking at right now is the euro dollar. We've been in this trade for a little while, guys. As you can see from the top up here, we've been to about 207 pips in profit. It bounced back up against us today, about 127 pips. But you know what? We're holding on to this for a long-term trade. We've already removed portions of this trade, so we've got profit in the bank, as it were, in our pip banker sessions. And so, we teach the guys how to bank their pips, and we've banked pips out of this one already. And as it gets up to this area, we're hoping now that it'll move down again and start making its way down to our soft target of 130.100. Now that is a soft target because when we get there, we'll be about 500 pips in profit, and hopefully we'll be able to revise that target to another target a little bit lower down. All right, so that's what we got on the euro for the moment. All right, and now let's have a look at what we did today on the pound trade. So let's have a look at the pound here. You'll notice a range on the 4-hour pound there. It's right in front of you in that blue box. Right, that's the 4-hour range. So we were looking at this thinking, all right, it could respect the range or it could break out. Now, there was no serious fundamental news. We know that everybody's on hold in the UK until after the May 6th elections, so they're not making any monetary policy decisions. And so we thought, all right, fine. It could be that it respects the range, or it could be just based on a technical move, not fundamental. And so we saw on the 15-minute chart a rising wedge, breakout, technical move here, breakout, retest, and so we set our target, as you can see in that blue box, and look at that, pegged it beautifully. So the traders in the live room that took this with us, they got themselves about 50 pips. Some of them ran it up to the mid pivot for 70 pips, so well done to them. What we were then looking for, guys, was a touch of the 365 in this area here on the 4-hour chart. We wanted to get short in this area. As you can see, we came within 20 pips, but that's just not close enough for us to get into the trade, and it looks like it wants to be heading down now. Unfortunately, we didn't get that trade yet, but hopefully, it'll present us with an opportunity a little bit later. Maybe we get an evening star on the hourly pound, maybe something on the 30-minute triggers us into that trade. We'll see as it develops. All right. The other thing that we did today, if we scan across here, is the Aussie dollar trade. Have a look at the Aussie dollar. All right, technical move again here. We got a breakout, retest, and we were hoping to get to this blue target at the top, but what we told the guys was watch out for the 93.07 level, right? It's a previous top and previous support resistance level. And so when we got to 93.07, as you can see up this side here, you're sitting at about 16 pips profit. It spiked up to 20 pips profit. We told everybody, look, you should be taking profit off now, put your stop loss to break even. So for a lot of the guys in the room, their break even on this trade got half the trade out in profit and are waiting to see if they can reach the ultimate take profit at the top here for about 48 pips. So not bad. This was a nice, good, profitable trade for us today on a Friday as well. The other thing that we're looking at and are still in at the moment, also a long trade, let me just get it up here. There we go. A longer term setup here is the dollar yen. We got this area here, the 9300. All right, and that's where we wanted to enter. And so we entered the 9300. We had our stop loss a few pips below the 382 yesterday, and it did not peg us out. In fact, it started moving nicely for us. Now, unfortunately, there was an EA on my chart that was managing this trade and got me out for some weird reason, got me out of this trade. So I had to get back in at a slightly worse entry, which was 93.07. So I'm still in that trade at the moment, as you can see, 93.07, sitting about 60 pips in profit right now. It's getting resistance off the weekly pivot, but it looks like it's really going to be heading to the north side in the long term. We based this on an Elliott wave pattern, guys. Let's just show this to you quickly. Elliott wave pattern. Here you can see the Elliott wave 1 and 2, right? Completion of wave 3. This looked like a completion of wave 4 for us, and so we're aiming our wave 5 here between 96 and 97, maybe even a little bit longer than that after a 3-wave correction. So be that as it may, we're in this trade for the moment. We're holding on to it for as long as we can. So we've got some really good long-term trade setup. We've taken some good scalp trade setting ups, and we also got some good intraday setups that we've taken as well. So a good session that we've been having. We've had a fantastic week in the live sessions. Guys, if you want to join us, pop over to tradershaven.com, or actually fap-tradershaven.com, and come join us in those live sessions. We're pretty certain you're going to have a ball with us. See you there. Cheers.